What's up, everyone? Sean here from Krypton Cause Investing, bringing you another token review. And the token we're going to be talking about today is FOMO. So keep in mind, I know I normally cover BNB chain projects. This is an Ethereum-based project, so keep that in mind if you are looking to invest that this is on Ethereum. But let's go ahead and learn a little bit about FOMO. So about us. I remember the good old days when I could invest in ETH through private placements at a very low cost. These projects often yielded returns of hundreds or even thousands of times my initial investment. But things changed when institutional investors entered the scene. Even then, I still had opportunities to privately invest in projects like DOT, ICP, and others at a higher cost. The returns were still fantastic with yields of 10 times or more. However, nowadays, these are projects like Hook, EDU, APT, and SUI that are being offered to me at evaluations in the billions of dollars. It seems like I'm being asked to buy in at the top. So it's very important to keep in mind when you look at a DeFi project, you always pay attention to where the market cap started and where the market cap is currently at. Most DeFi projects start under $1 million in market cap. So if they, for some reason, had the right formula to get into the billions and billions of market cap, to be very cautious of you buying that project because they probably are due for a dip, as a lot of initial holders and big whales have big profits that they probably will take. And when those profits get taken, that can drastically drop from the billions into the millions. So keep that in mind. You always want to find good entry points on projects. But I'm not comfortable with this, and I'd rather take my chances with meme coins or BRC20 tokens that give institutional investors the satisfaction of taking part in these high price offerings. Some people criticize me for not understanding the value of investing, but I believe that the real issue is the unscrupulous tactics of these big investors. No matter how much I analyze and evaluate, I'll still be trapped in the carefully laid traps set by these investors and ultimately suffer losses. So again, you have to be very careful. A lot of bigger whales, people with money, will lay traps for small investors to invest high and be left holding the bag. So again, it just always goes back to you need to be very careful on what you invest in and where you invest at. So I'd rather take my chances elsewhere than risk getting burned again. So FOMO token was born. It will be loved by meme players all over the world. FOMO will FOMO. I won't miss it again. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with their Telegram. So they currently have 1,674 members. I will go ahead and link this in the description. So all you have to do is click my link, go right to where you need to go. Same thing with Twitter. I'm always saying when you look at Token's Twitter account, you want to look at their followers. Always remember followers can be bought. So you want to go down, kind of see what activity their tweets are getting. Their tweets are very active. Let's go ahead and just vote since we're here. See what we have going on right here. And MEXC is 59.6% of the next exchange to be listed on. Maybe right, may not be. I might have some inside knowledge, might not. But yeah, Twitter is very active, which is always good to see. Go ahead and check out their chart. Chart looks great. Their total liquidity is at 185K. 24-hour trading volume is over 100,000 at 118. Their total market cap is 2.42 million. Their total holders is 1.42K. DEX tool score is 97 out of 99, which is great. So overall, chart looks good. Liquidity looks good. Volume looks good. Holder count looks good. Everything looks solid. They are already listed on LBank. As that poll just said, as we took, they are doing a poll for other exchanges, and I do know for a fact that there is going to be one or two more pretty big exchanges that are going to be coming up not long after this video. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say which exchanges they are, so I'm going to go ahead and not say that. Just know, though, that they do have two more exchanges coming up that will be big, but I think that will do it for the update. As I said, I will go ahead and link everything you need to know about this project down in the description below. Always reach out to me if you have any questions. Go over to their Telegram, ask any questions you may have. Get involved if you like what you hear. Like I said, they're already on LBank. More centralized exchanges to come, but go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and until next time, trade safe.